In this quick video, we're going to review the awesome grow light, the Mars Hydro TS2000. We're going to unbox it, I'm going to review it, and I'm going to show you how I'm using it for winter growing. Stay around to the end, and I'll share a Mars Hydro discount code with you. These lights are great for commercial and home growing. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. As the winter months set in, it's starting to get too cold to grow outside, and even if it was warm, there's not enough daylight to sustain growth. Something I've done is actually uprooted some of my vegetables in my garden, brought them inside. Rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil, and even pepper plants are all receiving the benefits of the inside warmth and light. I'm using right now my TS1000, which was sent to me by Mars Hydro, and it's doing a great job at giving these plants enough light. I'm using the dimming functionality of this light to run it at about 50% capacity, and I'm running it on solar with my battery pack. 50% dimmed, it's only consuming about 72 watts. Mars Hydro reached out again and asked if I wanted to test out one of their larger lights, the next upgrade, the TS2000. I thought this would be perfect to use in the greenhouse to support growth throughout the winter months. So let's take a look at it. It comes with Ratchet Cords. This model utilizes two 150 watt drivers and also has the dimming module, which I'll talk about later. Before mounting the drivers, I noticed there was a film protecting the aluminum. Make sure you remove that. This area on the light gets hot. Each driver mounts in with two screws as well as the dimming module. Each driver has an output. You plug that output into the board. This light measures 2 feet by 2 feet and covers a 4 by 4 foot growing space. As you can see, it's extremely bright. I'm adjusting the shutter speed on my camera so you can see the different colored LEDs that make up a full spectrum light. This light is equipped with 4 different LEDs: the warm light, white light, a red light, and an infrared light. What makes these series of lights different is the dimming function and the daisy chain functionality to daisy chain multiple lights together for the same brightness when you're using the dimming function. This is really attractive for commercial growers. So let's go into the greenhouse and hook this up. Growth this time of year has been extremely slow. Even though we haven't had too many below freezing temperatures, growth is still very, very slow. So I'm going to hook this light up over some corn salad, arugula, and spinach that I have. So on those warm days, they get the light they need and we'll get some more growth. So all I did was attach the ratchet cords to the purlins. Then I connected the hanging cables to the housing, which was included. I have this hanging a couple feet above the garden bed, and we'll see how this does. And I think this is going to work really well. The plants already look happy. I'm going to start some spinach seeds in the next month or so, and this will really help them out once they start to emerge from the soil. If you're interested in picking up this light or any other Mars Hydro products, click the link below. That'll take you to their website, and you can use code OBG for 3% off your total order. It's not a ton, but it's something, as Mars Hydro products are not typically discounted. Hope you found this video helpful and happy winter growing. Please click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when we post new videos.